Hi guys, my name is Arina. So here I'm going to show you what is the function of material straw. Okay, material straw button here is the function where you want to change the lighting or any material regarding to the 3D model. But let's say you want to change the material by using our public library. You can click to this material and then you can change to any material that you want. For example, here I'm going to change my couch as a leather. I drag and drop to the 3D model that I have made into my layout. Okay, and here you can adjust the UV, diffuse reflection. Okay, you can play around with the button. Alright, so that is the function of material straw. That's all from me. Thank you.